Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to set up payment links on your dashboard. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to navigate your platform and create payment links with confidence, so you can start accepting payments quickly and easily. To begin, you'll wait as the platform loads and then enter your login details to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface where all your key features are easily accessible. Next, select the payment link option from the sidebar. This will open the payment links page. Here, you'll notice that no payment links are currently available, which means you're ready to set up your first one. To access more options, click on the Settings menu. Now, you'll enter your account details in the Add Payout Account form. Make sure your information is accurate. If you're unsure about any field, you can always refer to your account documentation or reach out for support. After saving your details, the platform will display a confirmation in the Settings section, letting you know your payout account is ready. Next, navigate to the Payment Link page, where you'll see the available payment links. If you haven't created any yet, the page will display a prompt inviting you to create your first link. To get started, click on the New Page button. Fill out the payment form, selecting your preferred options such as payment amount, description, and any additional settings that suit your needs. When you're satisfied with your choices, submit the form. You'll then see the updated payment link list, confirming your new link is active and ready to use. Finally, you can copy the link or click View to preview the link you just created. Congratulations! You've successfully set up payment links on your dashboard. With these steps, you're now equipped to create, manage, and customize payment links whenever you need. If you ever want to adjust your settings or add more links, just follow these steps again. Thanks for following along, and happy collecting!